Happy New Year, everyone! 准备好放假了吗？休息前应该有很多人都会写好 out of office 的讯息。那我们在这个讯息当中要包含什么的 information， 又有什么禁忌呢？ So stay tuned to today's episode. Hello, 欢迎来到 Executive Plus 主管与沟通力的 podcast. I'm Sherry, an educator, certified coach, and style enthusiast. 我相信专业有效的沟通是语言跟逻辑的完美结合。
And I'm Nick, a startup consultant, corporate trainer, and late-night gaming junkie. I believe great communication requires the right mindset and solid frameworks.
我们希望带给大家职场英语的技能、跨文化沟通技巧与其他能帮助您成为出色领导者的工具。
Join us each week as we share our experience, research, and methodologies to take your communication and language skills from good to great. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Executive Plus podcast. Today, it's going to be short and sweet. And what we want to do is just remind you of something you probably need to handle today or tomorrow before you leave the office. And that is the out of office message.
没错，不知道大家是不是都已经准备好要来休假了？那当然，这个时候，如果你常常跟很多不同国家的一些同事啊，或者是客户一起工作的话，那你一定都要来写 out of office 的讯息。为什么呢？因为其他人没有在放假呀 ，right？ 他们才刚放假完，他现在是正好要开始工作的时候，所以他们可能会来 email 给你啊，跟你要东西。It's always professional to just have an out of office message. 那我们今天在这个单元，我们就要来分享一下，我们到底有什么禁忌，有什么 do's and don'ts， 还有我们的基本的 template 大概长什么样子。
So as Sherry says, let's just keep it really simple. Do's. Be formal and professional. You're on vacation, other people are not. Although we would love to write some kind of encouraging or funny message, anyone who's looking for you at this time is in the middle of work, so they just want the information. Let's try and keep it simple and professional. Second is, if you are on a lunar vacation and everyone's out of the office, this may not be as important unless there's an emergency. But if you take a personal vacation, it's always good to refer people to another colleague or to another place that they can get their questions answered, so that they feel, whether you're there or not, that they are not left to do nothing for a week. Finally, keep it short. The other side of that email is usually working, which means they need to keep things moving along, and they don't need to dig through a long email to find the important information. So keep it professional, keep it short, and give them a contact.
So let's talk about the don'ts, 也就是禁忌。Okay, don't reveal too much. 这个时候你在 vacation， 人家不是，人家在上班。我们需要跟他们讲很多为什么我们在 vacation， 或者是为什么我现在不在 office 吗？ You just give a simple reason. 可能是 for the reason is Chinese New Year, right? 或者是我 personal leave 等等，我们这几个字就好了，真的不太需要解释的太多。再来呢，Do not put pressure on your colleague and yourself. 意思是什么呢？这个时候我们一定会有一个 point of contact， 就是现在如果你想要什么 information， 你可以去联络这个人，但是你不要在后面写说这个人会马上回你，或者是我会马上回你的 message， 就是我回来的时候会马上回你。这个就是 too much pressure， 因为你也知道同事他有很多的工作必须要 handle。你不能够要求对方马上的回其他人一些讯息。And of course, when you just came back from the vacation, you have like 1,000 emails unopened that you have to deal with. It's impossible for you to reply them immediately. So 这个时候就是有一个不要给人家太多的压力，也不要给自己太多的压力。So that's like 2 don'ts when you're doing out of office message.
Yeah, a lot of people just feel guilty that they're on vacation, so they have a default. It's like, I will respond to you as soon as I can, or I will get back to you immediately. Or in the case of a colleague, be like, if you can't find me, email Sherry, she will get back to you immediately.
You're like, nope.
Even though you feel like, okay, this is very polite, this is, I feel less guilty, you will regret that. And it's unnecessary. I mean, most people have taken vacation. They understand what it's like to come back and to kind of get back into the work mode. You don't need that phrase, I will get back to immediately or I will end immediately. Just keep it simple. Someone will contact you or we will get back to you. That's it.
Yeah. So let's talk about the template. So now there are 3 must-have information. 3个一定要在里面包含的这个3个 information， 也就是第一个 the date you will be gone and when you will be back。 第二个也就是 the reasons. Again, keep it short, keep it succinct. You don't need to explain it. 那再来就是 the point of contact when you are away for urgent matters.
Your template is going to look really simple. It may just be like this. Your opening greeting. Then, thank you for your email. I am currently out of the office until return date and for what reason. I will be happy to reply to your message when I return. If you need assistance in the meantime, please contact name of colleague, their job title, and the way that they contact them. Then close it out and sign it. Should really just be 3 to 4 lines of an email and you're done.
Exactly. So your personal greeting 很简单, right? 你可以讲 hello friends or hello colleagues or happy Lunar New Year, right? Just depending on what major holiday we're hitting at the time. Same thing with your personal closing. 你可能就讲 oh, have a wonderful weekend. All right? Simple 就好了.
So a total email may be as simple as Happy Lunar New Year, everyone. Thank you for your email. I'm currently out of the office until February 7th for the Chinese lunar holiday. I will be happy to reply to your message when I return. If you need assistance in the meantime, please contact Sherry, Head of Digital Strategy at sherry@epstyleplus.com. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Nick.
那如果我们今天可能去一个地方，你真的没有办法用手机，或者是没有办法查 email 的话，你也可以在这个 out of office 的 message 上面提。For example, you can say, I will be away from the office until February 8th for Chinese New Year with no access to email. 所以这个地方我们就可以讲得非常的清楚。
The other thing that may happen is you may end up in a situation where, because you have multiple parts to your job, there may be multiple contact windows. Again, keep it simple. So you may just say something. If you need assistance in the meantime, please contact the following. And then make a list. Number 1, for PR requests, please contact this person. For advertising requests, please contact this person. For all other administrative requests, please contact this person. It may sound a lot like that. You know, you call the bank and they're like, press 1 to do this, press 2. But again, this is about being clear and short. The person on the other side of the email is often looking for something and they need speed and efficiency, not fun anecdotes about what you're doing on vacation.
那这个部分呢，你也可以用这种 bullet point 的方式来呈现出来，让对方非常清楚的可以看到哦，如果他要来 marketing 相关的事物的话，他直接找某某某就好了。So again, keep it very simple, short, and very clear who the point of contact would be.
If you need more information, check our show notes and see some very easy templates, and just take 5 minutes today and make sure that's in place before you go on your vacation. From us here at EP, we really hope that you have a wonderful new year, and we'll talk to you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.
The Executive Plus podcast is a Presentality Group production, produced and hosted by Sherry Fang and Nick Howard. You can search us on Facebook, 主管英文 Executive Plus. You can also find us on Instagram, Communication R&D, and email us at sherry@epstyleplus.com.